Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing all well and I'm so happy to see you back. In today's video I am going to show you how I made these resin geode coasters with real fern. So without further ado, let's get to it. Right, so here I have my molds. I'm gonna be using these lovely geode molds from Amazon. And the first thing to do is to mix black pigment into the resin. And I have mixed about half resin that I will need for these molds because we are going to work in layers. So first layer black, then add the ferns, and then on top add transparent. So it is really quite easy project, easy creations to make. For this project I was inspired from my clocks that I made couple videos ago. I will link it at the end and you can check it out. So I think that it is quite a classic look, simple yet effective. So here I am pouring my black resin. I'm trying to do it equally, and after that I will spread it out and pop bubbles and go around edges to try to get rid of bubbles that might occur. Right, after that's done, I cover them and let them to cure. And this is the next day. I have mixed up a little bit of resin that I'm putting down again. And this resin is going to be like a glue. And I am going to place the ferns on it, so it is equally spread out. Once it's all been done, I'm covering my ferns and let the resin cure. And here I have the next day and I have premixed my resin. So it's the last clear layer that I'm adding on top of the ferns. And this layer will seal the ferns in. It's really easy. Just pour and then get rid of the bubbles and let it cure again. And here we have, it's 24 hours later and it is unmolding time. And I think they look really great. How I mentioned before, simple yet effective. And if you will like these coasters very much like I do, I will make a matching 3-tier cake stand. So let me know if it's something that you would like in the future too. So yes, these coasters I like a lot, and I will paint the edges gold and probably put another top coat of clear, and they will be ready. So here they are, all ready and finished, and I think they look absolutely stunning. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!